Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your luxury all-inclusive experts, and today I'm at the beautiful Secrets Puerto Cabos Golf and Spa Resort, and this suite is an absolute treat. This is the presidential suite. It's oceanfront, unbelievable views, over 1,700 square feet. And what we find is that we sell this a lot for brides and grooms. This is that perfect space for that. Somebody who just wants to go all in and celebrate an anniversary or romantic time here at the resort. Or of course, if you're leading a group, this is perfect to have the extra entertainment space. But let me show you what it's all about. So as soon as you come in here on the left-hand side, you have this massive dining room table. We do find that a lot of people get this suite so that they could host friends and family members who are also here at the resort. And of course, you have a 24-hour room service menu that's complimentary and included with your stay. I love the decor that they have all around. In fact, they've got a bird cage over there, and another version of that is up in the lobby where they have the beautiful rendezvous bar. Now, if you want to see the entire resort, make sure you check out our tour. We have every single space documented so you can see what you're getting. Right here on my right-hand side is the Secrets box. Now, this is a signature here at Secrets, and it's essentially where they deliver room service. I love that they have this here because you can just go ahead and order, and maybe you're indisposed at the moment or out on the balcony. You can come back and you're going to have your food ready for you. You don't have to sprint to the door. Continuing on, you have more of that incredible hosting space. So right here you have this high top marble table. You got the two chairs there where you could sit and dine, of course. And then you have this big cabinet here right behind. So if you look, these open up. Here we go. Now this room, of course, being the top in the category, it is a preferred club. So you're gonna get all the preferred club amenities. I'll talk about them later. I just wanted to point out they have some snacks and some extra alcohol amenities in the room as well. Right here, you've got that Nespresso maker. They're gonna replenish those as often as you like. And I start my day every day at home with Nespresso, so I love that touch. Continuing on, you're gonna have your large fridge right here. So this is gonna be stocked upon your arrival. You see you've got the Coronitas and water and sodas and such, and you can have them replenish that daily. Now, just to my right, you're gonna have a second bathroom. I really like that touch that you have a full second bathroom. You don't find that all that often here. So you've got your vanity with your upgraded amenities. You're gonna have actually an extra amenity kit that they'll bring you for the preferred club. But what I like about this is that they actually have a full second shower. So you've got your rainforest shower head, your shower wand, and soaps. But what makes this perfect is, of course, if you're getting ready for an event, you have second space for it. Continuing along, we're headed into the living room. So you can see you've got a really large couch with a nice chaise lounge there, really comfortable. You also have two chairs facing out at that incredible ocean view. Now this is whale watching season. We've seen whales out there. It's a perfect spot for that. So if you come in January and February, you're gonna really enjoy that. You have a large flat panel TV. It's interactive, so you can check out the different menus, like room service menu on there. You can see the activities, or of course, watch television. Now, a really interesting feature for this is this executive space. So you can see that these doors shut off, and you kind of have an office in here. So you've got a couch right there, you've got your table, and then I like that they have two chargers here on the lamp, the extra phone. But if you need to do business while you're here, or if you just need a separate space, maybe even to change, this is great for that. Now, one fantastic feature is it has its own temperature control in here. There's actually 4 in the room, so you can get each space exactly as you like. So moving out from the entertaining and living space, this is the master bedroom. I did want to point out that this door does shut completely, so you can have that extra level of privacy or separation. Maybe somebody's sleeping, the other person wants to watch television. Now here you're gonna see you have a large king-size bed. On this side of the bed, you've got a plug, and I also wanted to point out this tablet. They have it at all the AM resorts, and what I love about it is it replaced the resort guide. So essentially, if you want to look up any information on times, spa menu, things like that, they're going to have it. But you can also order room service directly from here, and it'll deliver right to your Secrets box. So personally, my wife and I always, when we're trying to order, she seems to change her mind a few times. She can order it right there, have it delivered, and we're good to go. Continuing along, you have another flat panel TV here, and then underneath you're gonna have a second mini fridge that's gonna be stocked as you like and replenished daily so that you can take advantage of that as well. So continuing along, you have a nice bench at the end of the bed. You've got this chaise lounger right here, and then next to your bed you have another plug. I always bring an extra USB charger or splitter so that I can plug it in and charge all of my devices. Another one of the temperature controls here, I love that it's right next to the bed because sometimes you want to cool it down a few degrees in the middle of the night. And in addition to that, they also have a fan. So the fan controls are there, and I love having a fan. And for this particular room, you can open up all of the incredible glass windows, you can shut the screens, and you get that amazing oceanfront breeze coming through. Continuing along, you have your writing desk right here, couple extra plugs there as well. And then I wanted to point out that you can close off the bathroom here, and then one little touch here, you've got, this goes into the shower, but if you close that, you can get that extra level of privacy as well. Okay, so you can see that they have a large double vanity here, and you've got those upgraded amenities. So they're gonna give you a full extra bag of amenities because this is a preferred club room. So you've got a ton of storage underneath here. You've got your magnifying backlit mirror, plugs on both sides there, and then underneath you have your scale, which I try to avoid at all costs. Now right there, I wanted to point out that I love that they have this incense. So it's a signature of Secrets. They've had it since the brand launch. My wife and I did our honeymoon well over a decade ago at Secrets, and every time we come back and we light that, it's kind of like bringing the memory right back to us. Now let's head into the walk-in closet. So you've got space up and down here, you've got storage, you've got tons of hanging storage as well on this side, and that, I like that they have a steamer in here for you, as well as your iron and ironing board. Great if you're trying to get ready to go out or prepare for a wedding. And then you have your safe that's big enough for a laptop, and you also have your robes and slippers and more storage. Now they have a great spa here on property. We do have the full resort tour if you want to check out the spa and every single space on the resort, so you know exactly what you're getting. So now let's head over to the large Jacuzzi Soaking Tub. Taylor and his wife were celebrating their anniversary, and so they had this drawn for them earlier with rose petals in there. They can do those kind of things for you, but it's really nice that they have a huge one that even I fit in. Up above, they have this beautiful architectural feature, and then over here, you're gonna have the second toilet, and they do have a bidet as well. So now let's check out the shower. Remember, there was a full one in the other room. Now you have your second full shower. Very similar, the large rainforest shower head up above. I like that it's really tall because I love to stand underneath it and soak. I think that's great. You also have your shower wand, a really nice convenience, and then the nice bench here, and also your extra bath amenities. So as we head out, I wanted to show that they have these pocket doors that push back, and then of course you can pull the screen and shut that off. And what I love about that is this is just one of three. You have three of these here, and when you open it up and you get that incredible breeze coming through, you can smell the ocean. There's just something absolutely magical about that. Now let's head all the way over to the far side. This thing is massive, guys. You have a huge jacuzzi soaking tub, big enough for two, or if you're having a party, even more. Right here, you've got two large loungers, really comfortable. Once again, all of this is angled to take advantage of those insane views. Now continuing along, you have a extra large dining table. You can even bring a couple chairs from outside and turn this into 6 or 8. Once again, this is an entertainer's paradise, and now you can see why. Continuing on, you've got an extra table, your large coffee table, love seat, and also another chair. You can see that this is absolutely massive. Now there's two presidential suites here on property. The other one is down below. We're up on the 4th floor here on building 8, which has all of these incredible oceanfront views. Down below, the other one is a swim out. So the inside is virtually the same, but what you get is that huge swim out pool as well. Now I mentioned a few times inside that this is a preferred club suite. Now here at this resort, in addition to those amenities you get inside, you're gonna have the preferred club lounge. They're gonna whisk you right past the regular check-in, take you right down to the preferred club lounge, where they're gonna check you in with the concierge, bring you a nice drink. It's a really comfortable way to check in and start your vacation. And then you can utilize those concierges throughout your stay for just about anything you want on property or off. In addition to that, they have a phenomenal preferred club bar. They have an upgraded alcohol list in there. I love going in there for that. And you always have the great bartenders. It's a really social experience as well. Now, in addition to cap that off, you also have the amazing preferred club pool. It's situated right around Oceana. It's a tiered pool with some beautiful, beautiful infinity edge views. And in addition, Oceana is just for preferred club for breakfast. So you can get that great a la carte breakfast there as well. So when you're ready to book this incredible suite, maybe for your wedding, maybe to host a group, or maybe you just want to spoil yourself and go all out for an anniversary, it is an incredible space. We are happy to help you with it. We know the space is inside and out. We have a phenomenal relationship with AM Resorts, and we know that we can help craft the vacation of a lifetime for you, your friends, your family, your group at an incredible value.